There's levels or types of intervention. If you're dealing with a potentially violent student, threat assessment is the gold standard for intervention. If you're talking more broadly, going back to the idea of these, chronically violent, dysfunctional homes, that's, child welfare. It's having the resources to get someone into that home to stabilize it. And if that's not possible, getting this child out to a safe, stable environment. When we're talking about, mental health issues, in some cases, parents knew that their teenage kids were struggling in some way, but they didn't recognize that what they were witnessing was the onset of schizophrenia. They may have thought, well, my kid's a little different, or he seems really anxious, he's not quite like his peers, something's a little off. But as a nation, I don't think our society is really well educated about mental health issues, what things look like, and what to do if you see it. So that more broadly, I think that's an important piece of intervention. If you meet with the student, you try to, establish communication where they can tell you what's going on. And is there something to resolve? Is it a friendship issue or a romantic issue? Is it a home issue with the parents? Is one of the parents a drug addict? And all kinds of people in and out of the home. But you need to have that relationship with the student so they feel comfortable telling somebody, whether it's a teacher, guidance counselor, psychologist, etc., because we don't know what the intervention should be if we don't know what's causing the distress in the first place. So it really comes down to, communication and establishing the trust so that students can open up to somebody. Well, there's a saying, it takes a village, right? I think everyone can play a part as a parent, as a coach, as a member of the school community, parent-teacher organizations. We can do more to educate people about not only warning signs of violence, but symptoms of mental health issues and what to do when you see it, and just improving our understanding and, working together as a community, as a village, to keep people safe.